How to Start Advertising with Meta Business Suite, a beginner's guide for small businesses. Hey everyone, I'm Receptor, and I've spent the past 6 years working in digital marketing. During that time, I've helped business owners, creators, and new entrepreneurs understand online advertising through private coaching and video training. But one request has come up again and again. Small business owners want a simple way to advertise on Facebook and Instagram without getting buried under complicated language, advanced tracking systems, or technical strategies they may not need yet. Maybe you run an online boutique, sell handmade products, own a local service business, work as a freelancer, or are building your first side business from home. You know your product or service has value. You may already post on Instagram or manage a Facebook page. You may even receive a few messages, likes, or orders from people who discover you naturally. But now, you want to reach more of the right people. And you are not sure where to begin. You open Meta Business Suite or Ads Manager and suddenly see campaign objectives, audiences, placements, budgets, schedules, creative formats, payment settings, and performance numbers. Within minutes, advertising can feel more confusing than it needs to be. That is exactly why I created this free beginner series. The goal is not to turn you into an advanced media buyer overnight. We are not going to begin with complicated funnels, large budgets, detailed attribution models, or highly technical conversion systems. Instead, I will help you understand the basic structure and launch your first ads with confidence. Throughout this 12-part series, we will move step by step. You will learn how to organize your business assets, connect your accounts, understand the advertising interface, choose a goal, define an audience, set a realistic budget, prepare an ad, publish a campaign, and monitor what happens afterward. This training is designed for true beginners. You do not need a marketing degree, an agency, expensive equipment, or thousands of dollars to begin learning. You do need a real product or service, a clear business goal, accurate information, and the willingness to test carefully. I also want to set realistic expectations. Meta advertising is not a magic button that instantly creates customers. Paying for an ad does not guarantee sales. Advertising can bring attention to your offer, but the offer still needs to make sense. Your photos or videos should be clear. Your pricing should be understandable. Your website, messages, or checkout process should be easy to use. And when potential customers contact you, you should be ready to respond professionally. Advertising can strengthen a good business, but it can also reveal problems that need improvement. If people see the ad but do not click, your message may need work. If they click but do not buy, your offer, price, or checkout process may be creating friction. If they contact you but never become customers, your follow-up may need improvement. Many beginners make one of two mistakes. They either avoid advertising because the platform feels intimidating, or they spend money too quickly because someone online promised instant results. This course takes a more practical approach. We will start small, make deliberate choices, watch the results, and improve based on evidence. You should never spend money simply because a platform recommends a higher budget. Your budget must fit your business, cash flow, profit margin, and risk tolerance. Every campaign should begin with one clear goal. Do you want more people to recognize your business? Do you want visitors on a website or product page? Do you want messages, leads, appointments, or purchases? Those outcomes are different, and the platform needs to know what you are trying to achieve. A local service may want nearby inquiries, while an online store may want sales. The correct setup depends on the business goal, not on one universal formula. We will also talk about audiences. Your ideal customer is not everyone. A business usually serves a particular type of person with a particular need. In a particular location, at a particular time, we will examine who benefits from your offer and how broad or narrow your audience should be. Then we will look at the ad itself. A beginner ad does not need to look like a television commercial. In many cases, a clear photo or short video, a specific benefit, a trustworthy explanation, and one direct call to action can work better than an expensive production. Your customer should quickly understand four things: what you offer, who it is for, why it matters, and what to do next. We will also cover measurement. After an ad begins running, you may see reach, impressions, clicks, cost, messages, leads, purchases, and many other metrics. You do not need to become obsessed with every number. You need to connect the numbers to your original goal. If your goal is messages, likes are not your main result. If your goal is sales, a large reach may look impressive, but may not be profitable. The right metric depends on the job you ask the ad to perform. This series is intentionally focused on the fundamentals. If you already manage large campaigns, build advanced tracking systems, create complex retargeting funnels, or optimize ads professionally, this training may feel too basic. But if you have never created an ad through Meta Business Suite or Ads Manager, or if you tried once and felt completely lost, you are in the right place. By the end of these 12 lessons, my goal is for you to understand the process well enough to create a basic campaign, recognize the most important settings, avoid common beginner mistakes, and make smarter decisions about your budget. You may still need practice. You may still test an ad that does not perform well. That is normal. The purpose of a beginner campaign is not only to make money immediately. It is also to learn what your audience responds to, which message is clear, which offer creates interest, and where your customer experience needs improvement. Good advertising is built through observation, patience, and repeated improvement. Before we begin, think about your own business. What exactly are you selling? Who is most likely to need it? What action do you want someone to take after seeing your ad? How much can you responsibly spend while you learn? Write those answers down. They will help you throughout the series. You do not have to understand everything today. You only need to take the next clear step. In the first lesson, we will enter the Meta Business advertising environment together. Look at the basic tools, and make sure you understand where your Facebook page, Instagram account, ad account, and business settings fit. If you are ready to stop feeling intimidated by digital advertising and start learning the process in a simple, realistic way, let's begin. Welcome to the series. Let's create your first Meta ad.